Good morning, everyone. A blessed morning to all. A beautiful rainy day out here today. It's raining on and off this week, which is amazing. I love it. And things are coming along and getting nice and lush and green. Those are the petunias coming up already. And pretty soon, this will be paradise again. Bananas are growing, and everything is starting to look amazing. Take a look at the apples. They're starting to get a nice, some size already, and the tree is full of them. Look how nice and lush it looks. A beautiful, blessed day to all.